What's your name, please?
Hi, I'm Jansel Celeste. My father calls me John because his name is Janus. That's why he gave me that name. And also, my mother is Jenny. That's why they decided to came up with that name,
Okay, that's
Johnson.
good. That's good. And where are you from?
I am from the city of Kidapawan. It is the greenest environment the of all the cities in here in Mindanao, and it's quite very calm, and the atmosphere here is so cold. That's why I love this place.
Okay. What do you do?
Right now I have a business, and me and my wife manage our business. It is a retail and marketing.
Hmm.
It's really quite um, tiring every day.
Okay, all right, that's good. That's good. Let's move on to part one of our speak and test. Let's talk about technology. What technology do you often use? Computers or cell phones?
I prefer to use cell phone because it's easy to carry on my pocket, and every time I using this cell phone, it's hand carry, and it's easy to access. Even you can message your friends or emails, and sometimes you can receive call or emergency calls with your family.
Okay, all right. What electronic devices have you bought lately?
I bought a television. It's the brand name of the television is Samsung. I prefer Samsung because on the market it's they say it's durable and cheaper also for it's cheaper, and I I always watch my favorite TV shows, the Cartoon Network.
Okay, okay. Is there any technology you want to buy?
I want to buy bicycle with a remote
Hmm.
because in my childhood I did not bought bought that with my parents, and I want to experience how to ride a bike with a remote. And of course, I love riding a bicycle. And
Okay, okay, that's good. Is there any technology you don't like?
to be honest, all the technology I like the most, but I think I don't like the washing machine
Hmm.
because I love to wash hands on my own.
All right, that's good, that's good. Let's move on to part two of our speak and test. I'll share my screen. I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. You can write notes if you like. After 1 minute, I will not share the screen anymore, and then you need to talk about the topic for 2 minutes, okay? Just 1 minute preparation time. This will be your topic. There you go. That's your topic. Your 1 minute starts now. All right, your 1 minute's up. So I won't be sharing the screen anymore. Okay, there you go. Remember, you have 2 minutes to talk. You can start.
Okay, the invention that changed people lives is the um I could say it's aircon. Aircon because it changed people lives because in the past times people are using only fans, electric fan, but right now they are changing to innovating the using air conditioned, and the benefits of that is that they can close the windows, and also it's really enjoyable sleeping with cold air, and most of all the older people can benefit of it because um they could possibly get an healthy impact their body.
Mhm.
And of course, on the other hand, for younger persons, they can also benefit because the they can avoid many diseases also that um ka- um diseases. That's it.
Mhm. Okay, all right, that's it. Let's move on to part 3 of our speak and test. Just some follow-up questions. Can you name any other inventions that made a big impact on human society?
I think I could say the invention of the antibiotics. I say that because right now too much people are getting sick. Eventually, the older persons, and sometimes they couldn't find a cure of their illness. That's why I think I am happy with some doctors or researchers that they able to manage to research for
Mhm.
the antibiotics.
Okay, okay. What are some of inventions that are used at home?
The inventions that are used at home is rice cooker because it's easy to use, not unlike the older ones that we used to like wood.
Mhm.
Rice cooker, it's easy to use, easy to handle, and I think it's easy to wash. You can also cook there rice
Mhm.
or soup or maybe some veggies.
Okay. What new inventions would you like to be available in the future?
I think it's car that can fly.
Mhm.
I say that because the reason is Elon Musk is preparing for that invention, and I think in the near future they will sell that in the shop, or we can purchase it
Mhm. Okay.
cheaper.
All right. All right. Do you think these inventions tend to make people lazy?
I would say there's no impact of becoming lazy on the flying car because all because we know that it can help people with the transportation, and it's the same as usually as usual car. We can park outside
Mhm.
and we can manage to park it in walk so that we can have an exercise.
All right, that's good. That's the end of our speaking test. Okay, so with that speaking test, you can probably get around 5.5 to 6.0. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
guaranteed 5.5 to 6.0. However, when you do the speaking test, make sure you maintain eye-to-eye contact with the examiner. Okay, although it's virtual, but you still need to maintain eye-to-eye contact.
Mm.
Not all the time, but most of the time. Okay, you can also use hand gestures, but not too much. Okay, you can use hand gestures, but not too much. Again, maintain eye-to-eye contact most of the time. Okay, because sometimes you need to
Malibog lang ko
think.
tong pag-kuan, sir.
Mm.
Kanang makatago ka ng idea ba tapos di na ako kuan.
Okay. So part 2,
Di na ako kuan.
don't make yourself miserable with your ideas. Okay. Ayog lisod-lisod ay imong kagalingon aning speaking test nga naman. Kung asa sayon ang ansiran, kato mo ihatag. Ha, kung asay sayon
Okay,
naa
sir.
sa imong una-huna o pananglitan kani. Describe
Ah,
an invention that has changed how people live. Oh, unsa may mga inventions nga naka-change how people live, 'di ba? O pananglitan mo yung kang air conditioner. O air condition, 'di ba? O pananglitan mo yung kang computers, internet, mga inventions man na sila.
ah,
'Di ba?
ano.
O samot na ng computer, cellphone, mga inventions man na sila. O dako kay changes tungod ana. Unsa to imong answer gani ha? Murag gilisod-lisod man imong kagalingon atong imong answer. Ayag lisod-lisod ra imong
Yeah.
kagalingon, pangitag sayon. Nga kanang ma-explain nimo. Ug tarong kay kung motubag kag computer baling sayo na ra pag-explain.
Oo,
Motubag
sir.
ka
Sayang
siyempre
talaga yun.
kanang computer magamit man na nato sa trabaho, magamit sa eskwelahan, 'di ba? O gamit na siya sa tibuok kalibutan. Halos tanan nanay computer nga gamit. 'Di ba? O
Oo, sir.
cellphone halos tanan gamit na nag-communication. Hasta computer pareho ra man lang gamit sila daw, computer ug cellphone. Puwede pang movies, pang music, puwede pang communication, puwede pang trabaho. O daghan kayong function, so daghan kayong kausbanan, 'di ba? O ganahan ka, puwede auto, puwede ka eroplano imong i-discuss. O imagine na ra gud ang eroplano ug auto, 'di ba? Gamit man na kayo sa eroplano kay ang travel na usob. Usa na siya question ganiha kung nahinumdum ka ani, can you name any events that made a big impact on human society? So kana siya katong tubag ka anig mga aircraft, 'di ba?
Aircraft. Okay.
Oh, dako kay og impact ng aircraft kay ang travel nimo paspas na. O mag-compare ka atong barko-barko pa sa una, dugay kay sa tanan, 'di ba? Nya karon
Oo.
aircraft ang
Okay.
gamit, eroplano na. Oh, ang duha ka adlaw himo na lang pila ka oras, 3 ka oras, 4 ka oras, tawad nga biyahe. 'Di ba? So munang magunahuna, mag-answer ka ni kag mga questions sa speaking test gyud, ayaw lisod-lisod ra imong kagalingon. Haptik dapat ka hunahuna kung unsay sayon itubag nga ma-explain nimong tarong.
2
Unay
minutes
timani
lang
ha?
sa concert mo?
2
Test
minutes.
2?
2 minutes man ang part 2. Kinahanglan gyud ani mo hutdo ng 2 minutes ka naman ay timer ng examiner didto. 'Di ba naka-take na maki-speaking test sa una, naman ay timer ng examiner. Mingon naman na
Pod
siya
daw ko.
gumana. Ha?
Dali ano mo to?
Mingon
Buhat mo
naman na
na
siya gumana.
5.0 siguro.
Kana examiner mingon na siya, "Okay, that's enough. Okay, the time's up." Ana ra man ang examiner dito mahuman na ng 2 minutes.
Pwede
Basta
ba
wa pa
mga
gyud
taga
nahuman.
example ana?
Unsa sa?
Pwede ba mga taga example ana para medyo madugay ba?
Oo, puwede. Magama lagi kag istorya sa part 2 magama jud kag istorya di i-relate nimo sa imong kaugalingon. I-relate nimo. There was a time when I was traveling to ana ka dito, Oh, for example mayon ka dito nga ang imong giingon nga kay kuano man 'to, invention man 'to that change how people live, 'di ba? Invention mo 'to, topic nimo. Sabi mo ka nga, well before, it was very difficult to communicate to people because it's very far from especially when you're going to the office, you don't know what's happening. If there's calamities, there's rain, there's flood, you don't know what's happening. So you usually go to the office because you don't know if there's no work. But right now, it's just one chat away or one call away. The management, the human resource or your boss will just give you a text, or you don't need to come to the office because of, di ba? Oh. So, ang communication, laptop, cellphones, pwede rin mo na magamit. Ata ka example sa imong kagalingon para motaas gid imong istorya.
Mm.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Gi-record man ni nako, lantawan ni siya balik. Di ngadto ka sa akong YouTube na may mga daghan ditong kuan, mga speaking
Tama.
test, mag-search ka itong speaking test. Anti ka sa akong YouTube. Nakoy daghang mga speaking test dito nga naka-public ra, so pwede mo lang tawon. Katong uban dito mga dagko kay mga score to sila dito. Search ra ka dira kung i-send mo ng link sa akong YouTube. Tara akong gi-send mo ng link sa akong YouTube. Dayon gi-record man ni nako, ako ning i-post unya sa YouTube, dayon lang tawag balik.
Okay, sir.
Para at least napakay kuan ba makahunahon apakag maayo diskarte ha. Ang diskarte ra gyud ana is ayog lisod-lisod ra imong kagalingon. Kung unsay sayon itubag mo to kay para sayon na pud pag-explain. Ha? So paghatag sa question no dayon ka, uy unsa may sayon ani pag-answer. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Klaro ha? Sige, so next meeting na to sa Monday na pud ta. Monday na ta,
Okay, sir.
writing na pud ta. One day ug Wednesday. So 2 days, Monday, Wednesday. Duha ka writing. Alright, dayon human, mapit na mo
Okay,
nimo
sir.
exam. Tiwasa sa nang homework, pag
Sabado.
human na natagaan na pud ka homework lain, ha? Ayaw jud og miss dapat
Homework
kada
ra.
adlaw jud ka usa ka reading ha. Timani kada adlaw usa ka reading jud dapat na imong mahuman. Okay?
Ready mo ko, sir.
Sige,
Karon.
sige, sige. Alright, okay. See you on Monday, see you on
Yeah.
Monday. Okay? Good job.
Yeah.
5.5 to 6. Okay na to kaayo. Practice pa gamay.
Sige, sir.
Sige, sige. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, okay.